Sophia, tomorrow is Sunday. Come with me to buy supplies for the cafe.
Oh, tomorrow's a day off?
Yes, we always rest on Sundays. Didn't I tell you?
I thought Sunday would be our busiest day.
Not here. On this island, Sunday is family day. People visit friends, rest, and spend time together.
I see. So, what do you think I should prepare?
Nothing special. Just come early. We'll go to the market and the supermarket.
Got it. See you tomorrow, Maggie.
See you, Sophia. Sleep well. We have a long day ahead.
Wow, it's so lively here.
Yes, the market is full of stories and fresh ingredients.
Good morning, Maggie. The usual fruits today? And who's this young lady with you today?
This is Sofia. She's the new assistant at my cafe.
Welcome, Sofia. It's always nice to see a young, bright face joining our little island community.
Thank you. I've just started working there. Nice to meet you.
That's wonderful. You're in good hands with Maggie. She's one of my favorite customers.
Do you have anything new?
Yes, fresh kiwis and mangoes just arrived from the south.
Perfect. I can make new smoothies.
I love your smoothies.
Thank you. And what about apples? Still on discount?
Yes, only 18 rupees per kilo.
That's a good price, but they're not in season yet. I prefer waiting for the harvest time. That's when apples taste the best.
Why are fruits better in season?
Because that's when they're naturally ripe and full of flavor.
Oh, I see. That makes sense.
Please pack everything and deliver it to the cafe later.
Of course, Maggie dear. See you soon.
Now, we need milk, sugar, cocoa powder, and cream. Remember, always plan before shopping. Supermarkets are designed to make you buy more than you need.
That's true.
Also, always check the expiration date. The newer, the better. Except for sugar and salt. They can last a century.
You're full of shopping wisdom, Maggie.
Well, when you've run a cafe for 10 years, you learn a few tricks.
You really love what you do, don't you?
Yes. If you spend your life doing something, you want to do it well. I always choose the best ingredients, fresh and local.
That's inspiring.
And that's the island spirit. We care about what we make and for whom we make it.
Good morning. Did you find everything you need?
Yes, thank you. What's the total?
1,024 rupees. Cash or card?
Card, please.
Great. Have a nice day.
You too.
We bought so many things today. Do you think this is enough for the week?
Almost. The rest will be delivered by our suppliers. We only needed to get the essentials ourselves.
I see. I think I'm starting to understand how everything works now. You have so much energy, Maggie, doing all this every week.
Thank you. Yes, it is a lot of work, but it's my life. After so many years, you just get used to it. But
But what?
I've started to feel the signs of age, you know. I'm not as quick as I used to be. That's why I needed someone to help me.
Well, I still think you're very strong.
I'm going to take that as a compliment or maybe a little flattery.
No, I mean it, really.
Thank you, Sophia. That means a lot.
Sophia here. Thank you everyone for watching. If you find this video interesting, please help Team Sophia by clicking like and subscribe.